Hey, good morning, everybody. I got some peeling going on my nose right there from that sunburn I got last week. It's April 10th. We are at the Pond Mountain Recreation Area right down the street from the Black Bear Campground and bunkhouse hostel. Stayed the night there last night. Really nice place. About a quarter-mile up trail, there's these really cool walls here that look like maybe, I don't know if it was blasted through to make this, or if this is just totally natural. But there's one side. Here's the other side. It's pretty cool to walk through. Heading in this direction. Freight train's up ahead of me right now. We got about a 8.5 mile, I think 8.8 or 8.9 mile hike today. We're gonna take care of. That's gonna get us to Boots Off Hostel. My car's been there for a couple days now, yesterday and today. We're gonna car camp the next 2 nights, tonight and tomorrow night, there. And Kentucky crew is also gonna be camping there. So we just kind of got an easy day today. Had a decent day yesterday. We did shave those 3 miles off. I'm going to have to make up. I think I got like 12 or 13 miles that I do need to go back and make up. Probably do the end of this month when I get back from New Orleans from the Jazz Fest. So I'm not leaving too much unsettled business behind me. I guess as Chris Zacconi would say in his hashtags, no trail left behind or no section left behind. That's how I should be doing it. And we'll get there. We'll get these ones cleaned up, and definitely don't want to leave any unfinished business. But that being said, I'm going to catch up to Freight Train. He's down that way, and I need to get that way too. So we'll see you in a few. Wow. This is pretty cool. Okay, there goes Freight Train down the blue blaze. You see the blue painted blaze on the rock. He's taking the high water side, and I'm taking the white blaze down these steps, and down you can see through the trees there's some falls, and I guess there's some really great views. So we're gonna start heading down that way. I'm not gonna video myself going down these stone stairs, or y'all are gonna see a tremendously fantastic accident that I don't want to be a part of. So once I get down there and we see the falls, I'll bring them straight to you. Okay, you can see the stone stairs all the way up there where we came down. Plenty more stone stairs to head down. I'm gonna just try to hold the camera still and not look at it too much so I can watch us walk down it. Hopefully this video is not too shaky for you. there she is. We come down some more stone steps right up there. Seriously awesome handiwork by the people that built this. We came down there. I think we got some more to go down, but there's Laurel Falls right there. Laurel, Laurel Falls. We'll be down there in just a second. Let's go. Okay, there's Laurel Falls. Here's the river. I guess the trail gets real close to the river in just a little bit, so I'll start recording some more there. We just ran into Robert from the Refuge Hostel. He's through hiking and running a hostel at the same time right now, so it was nice to talk to him. Glad to see he's able to get out on trail. There's some more of those falls for you. One last view of that before we head on down. It's just beautiful. I could hang out here I'd love to camp out here and spend a few days. This is really nice. But we don't have a few days, so let's go. Nice little tent site. And we're still on the river here. I think we've got about a quarter mile till the trail joins back up with where freight train's at. Boy, look at that slab. It's just amazing. I love this. Here's the lake down there. I'll have to post the name in the description. It's on the tip of my tongue, but I don't quite have it. Got some ridgeline. It just started raining on us about 15 minutes ago. I imagine it'll be raining the rest of the day now. We've got about 3/4 up, maybe a little more than 3/4 up, 3/4 of a mile to go, and then 2.5 miles down. That'll be our day. If I can get a better view of that lake, I will certainly do so. See you soon. Okay, so it's been pretty rainy here. We came down over the top. There's that lake I showed you earlier. Got about 1.25 miles left to go. It's all downhill, but it's getting real foggy and kind of overcast. So unfortunately not a lot of great sights today, but this is our trail. Here's our trail conditions. Not a bad trail as far as down goes. I'm able to keep up a pretty good speed when I'm not holding the camera. Not really a sprint, but not even actually a jog, just kind of a faster walk than normal. Just getting us there. Not too many things to trip on, not too many things to slip over. Quite a few roots like that, but just kind of looking ahead for those and stepping over them and stepping around them. So if I see anything else, I'll try to catch it, but otherwise I'm gonna get down the hill and get out of this rain. Okay, we are at the trailhead just down the street from Boots Off, where we're gonna stay tonight. There's the Pond Mountain Wilderness, Cherokee National Forest. See if I can catch up with my buddy Freight Train. Here's the sign. You can always pause that, try to read it a little bit better. We are going to make our way to the road, get a nice hot shower, get some laundry done, get dried off, get a nice snack, afternoon snack, get some hydration. Just have a nice afternoon. Thanks for joining me, everybody. Hope to see you tomorrow.